Swann is one of the biggest names in home security with affordable, high-quality security cameras. AllSecure650 is the latest addition to the lineup, offering an easy-to-install security solution.
The AllSecure650 wireless security kit combines rechargeable wireless cameras with an innovative power hub recorder that makes for security that's easy to install and always there for you. The power hub comes with a spare battery that charges in the back. When it's time to change batteries, simply replace the one in the camera with a fully charged one from the charging bay, and put the flat one into the bay to recharge. It's seamless security with no downtime. The battery in the charging bay can also supply backup power to the system for up to 5 hours if there's a site power outage. With this system, you also monitor completely offline over HDMI. It's Swann's most feature-packed wireless system yet. Wi-Fi reception can be hit and miss in many homes, but this system's SwannNet feature allows you to select either the power hub or your internet router, depending on which has the stronger Wi-Fi signal at your place. With twice the resolution of 1080p, the 2K cameras have true detect heat and motion detection, which enables precise detection of large objects, like people and cars, eliminating false alarms. Their inbuilt motion-activated spotlight and siren offers powerful deterrence from unwanted visitors, while two-way audio makes it easy to communicate through the cameras. Night-to-day colour night vision works to 10 meters, providing important details like clothing or tattoo colours, while infrared black and white night vision works at distances of up to 30 meters. Up to 2 years of footage can be stored locally to the Power Hub or uploaded directly to Dropbox for easy viewing anywhere with an internet connection. The Swann Security mobile app provides easy control and viewing no matter where you are. It's compatible with Hey Google and Alexa to show you the cameras with a simple phrase.
The Swann AllSecure650 2K wireless kit is a complete package that can add security to your home. This simple addition provides security and peace of mind 24/7.